So good morning students, again we will continue with rate of flow or discharge. We shall see what is rate of flow or discharge, a very important topic in hydraulics. So suppose you are a farmer and or you are we are taking water, we are using the water at home. This discharge is related to the quantity of or the amount how much we are using, and to use that water we have to pay. But water is a very huge quantity, so we cannot weigh it. ಅಂದರೆ ತೂಕ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನೀರನ್ನು ತೂಕ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, you can see here a dam is there and you are storing water here. Okay, there will be gates here and you are letting the water to flow outside. From here it will start flowing and somewhere there will be a treatment plant. Okay, and from there water will be pumped to your house. Okay, so this distance from here to here up to your tap. So what is the volume or what is the amount of the fluid flowing per unit time? We call it as discharge or rate of flow. Understood? So it is with respect to time. So we define discharge as amount of fluid flow per unit time. So to write technically we write Q is equal to, so what is this Q? Q is the volume of water divided by the for how much time you used. Okay, and for volume you will have area into the length. Volume is 3 times. Okay, meter into meter into meter will give you meter cube, and that is volume. So length, breadth, height, at that time you are going to get the volume. So area into length divided by time. So area into length is we are multiplying for the volume. So length upon time is called as velocity, and that will be converted into velocity. You can see here this term is converted into velocity. So Q will be area into velocity, a very standard equation we are deriving, and we are using this equation to solve our sums. Okay, so this discharge or that flow of water is usually expressed. You need a unit. Okay, so you can find the unit here. Q is A into V. So area is in meter cube, velocity is in, area is in meter square. So you see the unit now, area is in meter square and velocity is in meter per second. So it will be meter cube per second. So that is how we find the units of any quantity. Q is A into V, area is meter square, velocity is meter per second, meter square into meter is meter cube per second. So our Q will be usually in meter cube per second, and our conversion factor will be 1 meter cube per second is equal to 1000 liters per second. This is a very important terminology for this chapter to for the sums which we are going to do. Okay, so on the notes I have put the rate of flow or discharge notes, so you can write it down. Okay, so that we can solve the sums for. Thank you.